So you want to know how to LS swap an E30? Looks like somebody clicked on the right video. Welcome to our in-depth 4-part guide on everything you need to know to LS swap your E30. In this series, we're going to be showing you guys the most common and trustworthy aftermarket parts, as well as the best DIY options available to get that engine into your car and out onto the road. Now, all this info we're laying out comes straight from our own experience LS3 swapping our E30 right here, as well as countless hours online researching. Now, obviously there are a million different ways to do this build, but the methods that we lay out in this series are the most common, easiest, and proven ways to complete this swap. Now, I recommend that you guys take in all the info that you can from this build series, and then feel free to tweak it to really personalize your build. Now, this series in its entirety will give you a complete overview on every single aspect of the build. We chose not to go into extreme detail on every single aspect because if you need us to explain absolutely everything to you, then this is probably just not the build for you. Now, if you guys have any questions along the way, feel free to comment down below, or you can message me directly on Instagram at slam.bandit. I am always happy to help. Now, before we jump into it, I just want to say that we are not sponsored by any of the brands that we mentioned in this series. We simply made these videos to help our fellow car enthusiasts. So if you guys get any value out of these, or you just enjoy watching them, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Support the channel. All right, here's what we're going to be covering in each video. In episode 2, we're going to be covering these guys right here. In episode 3, we're going to be covering these guys right here. And in episode 4, we're going to be covering all of these guys right here. Also, we've got a complete budget breakdown on our channel for doing an LS swap E30, so if you want to check that out, then click the card right here or check in the description. Also, we've just got tons of content on our LS3 swap E30, so if you want to check that out, then go look at our channel. But guys, let's finish this swap guide first. I'll see you in episode 2.